Thank you, Lord. Ayan, Daniel, it's 10:48. Tapos na kami ng gabi because we came all the way from Tuguegarao. Ayan, diet ang amin. Wala, ito na lang open, tapos sila open. Ito yung mag-inasal dun sa Kawayan close na. Ayan, kasi chicken chicken. Ito ay longganisa naman ang burger. And enjoy dinner. Papsi. Layo pala ang Tuguegarao. 3 to 4 hours. Layo. Lagi-labi na kami niya. From Tuguegarao. It's 10:48. Tapos nagpunta pa kami sa city of Santiago Municipio. There are a lot of lights, Christmas lights and Christmas trees. We'll show it to you. Kain-kain muna. Dinner time.